Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install AWS CDK. All right. First up, let's go ahead and install Node.js. Go ahead and open up your favorite browser and I type in Node.js. Hit on enter. Now here in the first link, click on it. Now go ahead and click on download Node.js. Click on it. That installation page will pop up. Go ahead and save it on desktop so you can easily locate it. All right. Just wait for the download process to finish. And once done, install it. Then to verify the installation, go ahead and open up your command prompt. I'll type in node -v. Right here, as you can see, I've already installed it. So the next thing that we need to do is just go ahead and open up our PowerShell or any terminal. All right. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. And what we're going to do here is just type in npm space install space -g space cdk space -- force. Hit enter. Now, if you get this error, just go ahead and run this command, get -execution policy, hit enter. Now go ahead and type in set -execution policy space -scope space current user, hit enter. Now type in remote signed. Now let's go back to typing npm install space -g space cdk space -- force, hit enter. As you can see here, that is now installing. Just wait for it. And here's the version of npm that is available. If you want to update it to the latest version, as you can see here, we have 11.3.0. Just type in npm install, basically copy it, -g space npm at 11.3.0 and hit on enter. Now wait for it. And type in npm fund. Now let's verify the version of our CDK. Just type in cdk space -- version and enter. There you have it. That's basically how you install AWS CDK. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.